Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to talk about composition. In order to compose something, you have to have in mind an idea that you want to convey. For example, this is a beautiful scene, this is a beautiful subject in my scene, or this is a beautiful person, this person has beautiful eyes, or something to that effect. Once you have the idea in mind, now you're ready to start composing it. How can you compose it? Well, there's different ways. You can use a grid line on your viewfinder or your live view called the rule of thirds. Now, this is something that's often referred to as a rule, but in reality it's just a guideline. Let's look at how I might apply the rule of thirds in an actual video.
Okay, here's our picture. We're going to use this as an example. This is composed almost on the rule of thirds. A little bit. Let me go ahead and show you what grid lines might look like. Okay, this is pretty close to a rule of thirds grid. You notice here that I have him directly on that crosshair. Okay, that's only because I zoomed in. I zoomed in to show you what it would look like. So a rule of thirds crosshair would be this one, and I believe it's this spot here, you notice. But these other spots as well, you can see as we turn them on and off. This is what it would look like if we put the right eye. I'm just doing the near eye, but you can look what it would look like if we moved it over. It's a choice. Does it look bad to you? Does it look good? Here's more or less where I had it, which is kind of in the middle there between the two. In my opinion, he looks best more centered than specifically on a rule of thirds crosshair. This might be good for if you're making ad copy. You want to write something over here that he's looking at or advertise something. But for a portrait, I like it best right here in the middle.
Okay, so that's how we use the rule of thirds. It's very simple. Use it in your photography as a guideline. Use it in your videography. But don't rely on it heavily as a rigid rule. Just use it as a guideline. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. It would help me very much.